Hello, this is Wilhelmina Ranke at the Sarita Kennedy East Law Library at St. Mary's University School of Law. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF into a Word document. This might help you this month if you're prepping law school outlines and you've gotten a printout of an outline and want to make it into a Word. It'll also just help you over time as you find forms, get a form out of a form bank, or get a form in a binder and want to convert it to Word. So first off, to go from a paper document to a docx, also to a .doc, you can do that. To do that, you're going to scan that document in. The library copy machines in the upstairs copy room, the room under the stairs, and then room 121 in the law library can all scan in documents. Then you're going to take that document that you scanned in, and you're going to use Adobe Acrobat Professional to run text recognition on it and to save as other Microsoft Word. The supplies that you need are a USB thumb drive, and you can check that out at the front desk of the library if you don't have one with you. So first off, there's the copy machine you can scan your document in on. There's the copy machine, and in every room we also have directions on the wall on how to scan things in. So once you're by that copy machine, you can look around for a bulletin board with directions on them. And then you can scan in your document to that thumb drive. Then this is where you can get Adobe Acrobat Professional. Let me first off show you Adobe Acrobat Professional is different from Adobe Acrobat. So we're going to go here. I have Adobe Acrobat Reader. That's the free program that you probably tend to have on your computer. There's Adobe Reader. You see when I click Tools, I do have exporting the PDF, but I don't have a lot of my other buttons. Now I'm going to go into Adobe Acrobat Professional. When I click Tools, you see I have a lot more tools. And it's the same thing. All my menus, I'm going to have more options in Adobe Acrobat Professional, less on the left than in Adobe Acrobat Reader on the right. So you want to get to that Adobe Acrobat Professional. And you can get it on this computer here at the desk. Now we'll go ahead and just convert a document through to Word so you can see the process there. I'm going to go to my exam bank and see at the top I can sort. Not everything in there is an exam, so I'm going to just pull some of my outlines. And I'll do this outline. So there's my outline. I'm going to open it with Adobe Acrobat Professional, not Reader. See, there's all my buttons. And then just so we're not sitting around forever waiting for a long document, I'm going to actually delete page 10 to the end of this document, just so we're only dealing with 9 pages. The main difference is it might take 5 minutes of waiting to get your Word document out if you have a longer document. So first off, something you need before you can do a conversion to Word is you need to be able to highlight text. Now I do the website, so I already prepped those documents, but if you didn't have that, so if you just scan something in, you're not going to be able to select text. The way you would do that is text recognition in your Tools tab. So I can click Tools to make that appear and disappear. Text recognition in this file and do all pages. And then it processes down here at the bottom 1 page at a time, which is why at 92 pages we'd be waiting for a few minutes, but with 9 pages we'll just wait for a few seconds. So that's your first step to making a Word document. Now I'm going to go Save as Other, and I'm going to save as Microsoft Word, Word document. The difference between these two is Word 97-2003 is .doc, Word document is .docx. Now I'll just go here and I'll make a folder called temp2, so I'm going to delete it afterwards. And I'll save my Word file there. and there's my document I just created, and there's my Word file. So I'll put it next to the PDF so you can see the differences or similarities there. And you can see it got the formatting, it got these bullet points. If I just cut and pasted this, I'll have more formatting errors. Plus I have to cut and paste the whole document all at once. You can also see it's going to get some typos. So right here, there, it got a little bit of a typo because it's not picking up on the Latin as well. So you do have to do some cleanup, but not too much. And that's how to convert a PDF into a Word, or even a piece of paper into a Word. Hope that helps you as you're getting ready for finals and converting your law school outlines into documents you can work with.